turn it down for a second. I'm going to video that way they don't red tag me. Let's see if Wally will actually land this fish.
Nope, he left. Goodbye. Sorry. No fishy down there. Oh, dang. Came right off the ass fine. It's a little fella.
Right off the ass fine.
Yeah, he came
I
flying.
don't know what. How do you get coming off the ass fine?
Yeah, he's a little guy. That's why.
We'll catch him.
You said that 6 times yesterday, and you put one of them with a 1 pound. He's hitting it right now.
Yeah, but I put.
It's not that small.
He is. He gone now, okay?
He did go, and he went flying off that way to the camera. After you missed him, I watched him inhale the fucking bait.
Out here fishing with Christopher. My brother-in-law, Wallace. Or like we call him, Wally.
No bait. He took your bait off.
Well, you can't catch any fish if you ain't got no bait there, Junior.
Oh, there's a fish.
See if I can get
Come on,
one.
bite it.
Come on, I want to get one on film, boys.
Oh, there's one down there messing with it.
There's no one my luck. Mine will go off when I got my phone in my hand.
Come on, bite it. No, he went back down. Back down to the bottom. Oh, maybe I'll bite it now that I set it down. He's still on it. Oh, over here. Come on.
There's one going down. He's a big one, too.
Oh, quick bite there.
Uh-oh.
Oh. He's going around between all the rods.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't know what fucking smorgasbord. Ooh.
Oh!
Swing and a miss.
Swing, bada, swing. See if he's still around. See if... Oh, you little dirty. And yes, I'm hitting the ceiling with my rod, and it's a almost 6'7" ceiling. Now he's gone.
He's back over here by
over
me.
here.
Yeah, it's like Wally's probably going to catch him now. Because I probably have no bait.
Oh. How about I hook him?
Yeah, at least one of us finally caught the little stinker. Was he a good one?
No,
Nope.
not really.
Mm-mm.
Oh, stinker.
Yeah, stinker fish. But it's a fish.
Green one's doing good. That minnow was fucking just came up my hole, so you probably don't have a minnow.
Yep. Well, we'll be back a little bit, folks.
Yep.
This is our last day.
First
We
time
got-
since Wally came up.
We got a pounder here
That's
today.
his first year.
Is what, 1.16 pounds?
Yep, 116.
Then we got two that are like
Wally had a horse.
point-
on his
almost
ass. He
0.9,
fucking carried
these
us
two.
The first 2 days.
we limited out this year. Another 41 in our group today.
I turned.
Making a nice pile of perch. And one slimer. And we got some big pigs in there.
That one might be close to a pound. Jim?
Yeah.
That one you got
I
there?
did have one that was good belly on it.
Oh, shit. They're spreading them out a little bit. You got so many goddamn fish.
Mm-hmm.
There's a couple in here that are questionable.
Well, Steve, well, he wanted to swim away.
But
I don't know where he's going, but he wants to go somewhere. He wants to come over here to winne, get him, probably.
Well, we got what's in your dad's book.
Oh, there he is.
Yeah, he's a little pickler.
Yeah, he's a little.
Dan's got one that he said it's close.
That's,
Again.
it's still in the
I had a couple of decent ones, but
No, we didn't have nothing in our pail.
nothing major.
The biggest one in the pail was that one that I got. I broke the hook in. Oh, that one or this one right here is about the same size.
And then we had a few that were, but some had their air bladders busted for some odd reason.
Yeah, what-
18 feet of water.
Yeah, have you ever seen that, Jeff? No. Like, we've had a lot blown out their air bags. But there's a lot of minnows in there.
Mm-hmm. All right, still got one more bucket to go, boss.
You got water in there?
Nope. Oh,
Yeah, he does have one. He's got two that are close, if not both of them. Good night, Pa.
thanks, Shorty.
Look at that one.
That's
That
a little-
one's close.
That's
We-
gotta be close.
Where's the scale? Did we bring the scale?
Yeah. By my shit, wherever my stuff is. That one could be close too.
I'm still recording.
I didn't even bring my phone, so get some good pictures.
I'll get some pictures and I'll get some video. Once we get them all spread out, I'll take a picture. I'm just kind of filming.
Look at that one. That one almost looks like it could be turning loop.
Mm-hmm.
I need to wipe my hands off after
Yeah.
this because I don't want to touch my who got the paper towel?
He didn't ask.
Yeah, you did.
He just said bags.
He said bags. I said paper towel.
No, I didn't hear. All I heard
Oh,
was
good,
bags.
nice.
All I heard was bags.
The only one with them all in there, Jim, I'm going to start weighing. I'm going to go from the smallest one, work my way up here. That one's damn close, both of those two. But I'm pretty sure this one's not. Pretty sure this one is not, but.
Give her away anyways. See what we got here, boss.
Oh, not even about a half.
Half a pounder.
Yeah.
Just to make a sandwich.
This one I'm sure is not either, but it's
Nope.
interesting. Open your mouth. Yeah, he's not.
Another half pounder.
Not quite, but almost. Some serious size.
Now we're getting into fish.
.6.
And 6. Still a nice fish.
Over half a pound.
You gonna save the big dog there for last?
I don't know which one that is.
I think the one still in there is the big boy.
I think it's the bigger of the two. Open the prior goddamn mouth open. I gotta reset it.
0.8.
don't think it's gonna quite make her. Thought that one was gonna be a lot closer.
Shove some of those minnows back in its mouth.
I don't even know if I want to weigh mine with the hook in its mouth right now. Come on, baby. I don't think Dad's had one yet. His one yesterday was bigger.
0.85.
Yeah, the other one was big. It has begun.
We got 2 of them braving to clean up 100 perch for us tonight, and 1 northern. Wally, Chris, and Jim. I am not allowed to touch a play now.